10. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to make a room reservation for next month.
Of course. May I know your check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be arriving on December 10th and checking out on December 15th.
Thank you. That's a 5-night stay. How many guests will be staying?
Oh, just me and my wife.
Perfect. May I suggest our deluxe double room includes breakfast, Wi-Fi, and pool access at 2,500 per night.
Sounds good. I take that.
Great. Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please. And if possible, a high floor with the city view.
Noted. May I have your full name, contact number, and email?
Sure. Daniel Cruz. 555-987-6543. Daniel Cruz at email.com.
Thank you, Mr. Cruz. May I get a credit card to guarantee your reservation?
Here you go.
Thank you. Reservation confirmed from December 10 to 15. 1 deluxe double room, non-smoking with city view. Total cost is 12,500. Confirmation number is number SGH2034.
Excellent. Could you arrange airport pickup too?
May I have your flight details?
R512 from Manila, arriving at 3:30 p.m.
Got it. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Check-in is 2 p.m. and check-out is 12 noon.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, Mr. Cruz. We look forward to welcoming you and your wife to Summer's Grand Hotel.